Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video we are going to make these cute little stud earrings in triangular shape. You can see how small they are, how tiny they are, and I have named them as trio stud earrings. You can see how cute they look, and here I have made these in pink color, and I have already made these earrings in one more colorway. This is in beautiful gold color. And in today's video, we are going to make these earring in this classic green color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our trio stud earrings in this classic green color. Friends, for making our cute little trio stud earring in this gorgeous green color, we are going to use these 3 pearls in cream color. I'm using these 11 seed beads. These are Miyuki Ceylon Antique Ivory Pearl 11 and I'm using these 15 These are Miyuki Duracoat Galvanized Gold 15. Here I'm going to use this earpost stud of size 4 by 12 I'll be working with Hana thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, we are going to make our trio stud earrings by picking up these 3 pearls and bringing these down towards the end of my thread, and I'm going to tie a double knot like this. And I'm going to pass through all these 3 pearls and pulling in the tail in between these pearls like this. And now here I'm exiting through this 3 pearl, and I'm going to pick up one 11 Ceylon Antique Ivory pearl into the 3 pearl, again picking up one 11 Ceylon Antique Ivory pearl and into the 3 pearl, again picking up one Ceylon Antique Ivory pearl 11 and into the 3 pearl. So here is the look after completing this round, and now we can cut the tail off very carefully. And here you can see right now I'm exiting through this 3 pearl, and now I'm going to pick up one 15 gold, one 11 and one 15 gold. So here I have picked up one 15 gold, one 11 Ceylon Antique Ivory Pearl and one 15 gold, and I'm going to pass through the same 3 pearl, push these in front, stepping up into this 15 gold and into the 11 like this, hold it tight, and now I'm picking up one 15 gold and into this next pearl like this. You can see my thread is exiting through this side and I'm passing through this 3 pearl on this side. Just hold the component very tight. It's a very small component, so we have to hold it very carefully like this. And now into the 11. So you can see the look from the front. And now as I'm exiting through this 11, I'm going to pick up two 15 gold, one 11 and two 15 gold. So here I have picked up these 5 beads, two 15 gold, one 11 antique ivory pearl and two 15 gold, and into this next 11 like this. Again picking up two 15, one 11 and two 15 gold. the set of these 5 beads into the next 11 row, picking up 215 of gold, 111 and 215 gold, the set of these 5 beads and into the 11 like this. So you can see the look. And now moving towards the back side, here we are going to add our ear post. So as I'm exiting through this 11 I'm going to pick up 5 15 gold and pass through this 11 like this. Again picking up 5 15 gold into the next 11 added between the pearls, picking up 5 15 gold and into this 11 like this. And now stepping up into the first 3 15 of the first set of 15 gold that I have added. Again passing through this 15 gold, the middle 15 that is the third 15 gold of the next set. I'm not adding any bead here. Again passing through the middle 15 of the next set like this and into the middle 15 of the first set. Here I have not added any bead, just passing through the center beads of all 3 sets, and I have made the net over here. And now I'm going to place my ear post stud into this net very carefully. Hold it tight, just pull the thread and it's done like this. So here, after placing the ear post, I'm going to pass through these 3 15 to fix the ear post into it. Once again, we are going to take about 2 to 3 passes through these 15 Just keep these tight. It's a very small stud. And now, as I'm exiting through this 15 I'm going to move down, moving down through these 2 15 very carefully. Up through these 2 15 now down through these 2 15 through these 2 15 down through the 2 15 up through these 2 15 like this, going down through these 2 15 like this, We have fixed the stud, ear post stud into the 11 and the next two 15 like this. And now moving towards the front, going to pass through all these 11 and 15 on the border here on the edge to give it a nice triangular shape to our trio stud like this. And now as I'm exiting through this 15 gold, I'm going to tie a knot between this 15 and 11. Again tying a knot between the 15 and the 11 up through the 11 and the 15 to the 15 now into this 11 moving towards the back through these 15 into the 15 at the back over here. Just taking 2-3 passes to reinforce and to fix the ear post into it like this. And now I'm going to cut the thread off. So friends, here we have completed our trio stud earrings in this classic green color. You can see the look. You can see how tiny they look. You can also use these studs as earpost stud for your danglers, and I will be showing this to you in my next video. In my next video, I will be using these stud earrings as earpost for my danglers. So these are the stud earrings, trio stud earrings in classic green color. One more colorway that I had shown you in the beginning of the video is this green color, and one more is this beautiful gold color. So these are the three colorways. You can see how cute, how tiny, and how dainty they look. So friends, if you like these stud earrings and if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.